So let's figure out an approximate distance between Gandhinagar in Gujarat to Kohima in Nagaland. So where is our Nagaland? Nagaland is over here. Kohima is over here. And our final destination is, or this was our final destination. We're starting from Gujarat's Gandhinagar. Okay. So we need to, whenever you're using map, we need to use something called a scale. So this is something that I would want you guys to web search. Web search. I'll use a hyphen. Web search. Something called a scale. So scale in any good map, you have, this is the same map. This is a Sanskrit map of India. So this is called as a scale. Scale is used in maps to find distance basically. So this is our scale. And from 0, 0 is over here. Can you see that? 0 is over here. From 0 to this distance, the map is telling that if I have a length of this long, from 0 to 500 over here, it means in the map it is 500 kilometers. So basically from here till here, it's 500 kilometers. With that as the reference, we can use our copy paste in this case, or you can use any stick or a pencil or a scale also, physical scale, right? Protractor, compass. You have this pointing compass. You can use that to measure this. Anyways, I don't want to complicate it as of now. I am doing this. I am just, trying to overlap. And see how long does it take to reach. Oh, from Gandhinagar it had to be there, but anyways, I just continued. So basically till now I pasted around 4 of it. Okay. So I pasted around 4 of it. I'll make you guys count. So this is the first one. This is second one, third one, fourth one, and this is fifth one. So each of them being approximate distance. Each one being 500 kilometers. Each one being 500 kilometers. So since we are using 5 of them, so this will be 2500 kilometers in total. Approximate distance, a rough estimate basically. I searched online and on the road it's around 2840-ish kilometers. If you're traveling on the road, it is approximately this, and we actually got a decent approximation. Maybe a plus or minus more or less, but this is good enough estimation. So again, what we're looking at is, please understand the gist of all of this, that numbers can play many roles, numbers can be used in many contexts, and we need not get exact answer all the time. We can have an estimate to understand, okay, if I'm going on the car and my mileage is so much. Again, this conversation you guys can have with anyone elder in your house. They understand all of this. So please do have that. Please do web search this, take a map, physical map, use your compass or a stick. You can be creative. So they can help out. And yeah, when you web search, you will get a lot of videos, I'm sure, wherein you have people showing how to use scales exactly on a real map. Actually, even I will do that. Yeah, I can do that as well. So please try all of that, and using that, we'll get a rough estimate of what our how far our destination is. Once we have that rough idea, right, all you have to do is plan it out. Okay, this would be the kharcha, this is the amount of petrol, and here we have to stay. It will take so many days, so on and so forth. That's how long distance journeys are planned, right? So just don't learn any question as a question, learn it as an application.